possession. Breakaway. Scores! What a goal! Nice hands, great finish. One short break and it's in the net. Once he broke clear, he's got his head up, he reads the scene where the goalie is, and beats him with the shot. Nashville's execution on the offensive end pays off quickly, Ray. Didn't take them long, did it? They're attacking quickly, they capitalize on an opportunity, and now they can play the game from in front. Here's a pass down low. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play.
By number 9, Forsberg. 2 minutes.
Lots of time left in this period. Nashville's ahead 1-0. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. The Bolts are in transition. Streaking through center, they go on the attack. Keeps hold of the puck. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Saros has got...